there's definitely, some criteria that you need to assess before, taking any decision. This, for example, like we were mentioning with your team, okay, what's your current team, expertise, uh, how many mid engineers, junior engineers, senior engineers, you have to take that into account, especially if you're doing a big migration or like you're shifting the technology you use, that will definitely, be more maybe problematic, for less experienced engineers versus, more experienced ones. Also, like we were mentioning, okay, if you're coming from React, like using that as an example, Gatsby, if you're using Gatsby, like you probably want to stay using React. Uh, Maybe you want to switch something else, but if you're choosing a framework or a tool that already uses React, that means that your team will already have, a better level of expertise than if you're switching, for example, to into Vue, something like Nuxt, for example, and that would also, reduce the need to hire new people because maybe, if your team is not, as experienced with Vue, for example, then okay, we're probably going to need at least, some sort of guidance from maybe an external, you're going to hire someone with more expertise, to guide your team, towards that goal, towards that, migration. And also, what is your tolerance on, the learning curves? Like, do you want, or is your team okay, with learning, some big shift in the way we work with things? Or should we want, a more gradual migration? Like, and that would guide you towards, okay, maybe if we're okay with, a big change, if we have a team with big expertise, we could use something less opinionated, like Astro that we mentioned. And if not, okay, maybe we should stick with something like Next that we know, or it aligns with Gatsby, better than say Astro or some other tool.